Fundamental principle of counting. What is fundamental principle of counting? To figure out what it is, let's take some examples. Consider there are two different roads from your house to your school. And there are three different roads from your school to a park. Let's name these roads as A and B and X, Y and Z. Can you answer how many possible ways you can take to go to the park from your house via school? Let's see. First, you might choose to take the road A. From there, you can choose to take the road X or Y or Z. Or you might choose to take the road B. From there, either you can take the road X, Y or Z. You have 6 possible routes which can also be obtained by multiplying 3 and 2, which is 6. Let's take one more example. You have 2 pants, black and brown, and you have 4 shirts, white shirt, black, blue and red shirt. In how many ways can you wear these pants and shirts? You can choose to wear black pant, then a white shirt, or with a same black pant you can choose to wear black shirt or blue shirt or red shirt. Or you can wear brown pant with either white, black, blue or red shirt. That is, you have 8 different combinations which can also be obtained by multiplying 4 and 2, which is 8. Can you see a pattern emerging from these two examples? In first example, you can take 2 roads from your house to school, and there are 3 possible roads you can take from school to the park. First activity, which is going to school, can be done in 2 ways, and second activity, which is going from school to the park, can be carried out in 3 ways. Total possible ways or roads from your house to the park can be obtained by multiplying 2 and 3, which is 6. Same can be applied to the second example as well. You have 2 pants and 4 shirts. Number of ways you can dress up using these pants and shirts can be obtained by multiplying 2 and 4, which is 8. There is a general rule to solve such problems. If one activity can be done in m number of ways, for each of these m different ways, a second activity can be done in n number of different ways, and for each of these activities, a third activity can be done in p different ways. Then all the 3 activities, one after the other, can be done in m into n into p number of ways. This is called as fundamental principle of counting, or FPC in general. Let's solve a problem with this method. Consider you have 3 dolls. Now you have to pick 2 different dolls at a time out of these 3 dolls. In how many ways can you pick 2 different dolls out of 3? Initially you have 3 different ways to pick the first doll. After you have picked the first doll, there are only 2 dolls left. So second doll can be chosen in 2 ways. By the fundamental principle of counting, total number of ways to pick 2 dolls is 3 into 2, which is 6. This is all about fundamental principle of counting.